tornado warning.
Moving east at 35 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained spotters. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Fly. Until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Tabler, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and tennis ball-size hail. This is radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southwestern Norman, Chickasha, Newcastle, Blanchard, Purcell, Noble, Goldsby, Dibble, Washington, Cole, Ellick, Bradley, Kreiner, Middleburg, Tabler, Minnequaw, and Payne. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 83 and 111. Interstate 44 between mile markers 79 and 85. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southern Grady County. At 4:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 5 miles northwest of Ellick, moving east at 35 miles an hour.
Well, that's another tornado warning in 2016. By the way, I have all these radios programmed to Grady County because it's for in case our dad's radio breaks down. So, and plus it's part of our station, and so yeah, that's another tornado warning for 2016.